Well, hello everybody, welcome back to another Forex analysis session. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I am a professional trader and a programmer as well. If you guys are new, what I'm doing here, I'm looking at some good opportunities that might happen next days. And if you are following me for a while, thank you for your support, thank you for your thumbs ups, thank you that you share this video on social media. Well, let us start then. The pair I'm going to analyze today is Aussie CAD, Australia, Canada. As usual, my analysis consists of two parts. I first analyze my higher time frame and then I analyze my lower time frame, that routine over and over again. IPDE process. Identify, predict, decide, execute. On my high time frame, I am identify what price is doing now and to decide, and to predict what price is most likely to do next. And on my trading time frames, I am to decide how can I get involved. Okay, what we see on our daily time frame. I want you to pay attention to these swings. I will mark them with trend lines. We have a downside movement, we had a kind of correction or a retracement or a pullback, and then we had a downside movement once again. So this lightning structure is called the downtrend, a series of lower lows followed by lower highs. Obviously we are in a downtrend, so I will delete them, we don't need them anymore. Okay, what else? How can I get involved? Where the price is most likely to continue that trend, because right now we see it moving a bit to the upside. So I am to find some support resistance levels or pivot points or some turning points or some structure points, whatever you call them. These points that were proven in the history, like those points where price changes its direction. If it is right now moving to the upside, so I am to predict where is that point that the price will most likely start its journey to the downside. And as you can see here, 97, 96, so it is very close to a round number of 98. So this is the first thing you should pay attention to. Round numbers, market respect those round numbers. If I zoom it out a bit, you will see what I'm talking about. It acted as support. Well, let us go a bit into the history. Acted as resistance. Let's go deeper and find some more evidence. Acted as support, a little bit of support here. Acted as resistance, good shelf, preventing from moving higher. Okay, and that's all. So this is quite a good level that was respected many times in the past, and we see this level was respected recently. What we see on our chart, it was respected recently, and now I am expecting for a history to repeat itself. It is the second postulate of technical analysis that history repeats itself. Okay, what else we can find to prove our views? I'm collecting some evidence or data and then I calculate the scores. For example, a round number on the higher time frame gives me scores 2, so I have 2 points in my score system. I can stretch the fibs to measure my last leg, and if I have a 32 somewhere nearby, that will indicate that this zone is a very good zone where the price might reverse. What else I can do? I don't see anything here. I can apply my indicator that is called the Fractal Zones indicator, and it will show me support and resistance zones. Just need to set the higher time frame. My higher time frame is daily, so I want the rectangles to be drawn on the higher time frame. And you can see that it draws somewhere at this area. Okay, let me go to the 4-hour time frame and see what we can see. Okay, we have that movement to the upside, then retracement, and then another movement to the upside. Let us clone and paste it if we have a AB equals CD movement. Well, we don't have any because the completion goes too high. Let me place that line here to mark that thing. Let us stretch the fibs. If we have 127 to 1414 extension, we have exactly 1414 at 98. Okay, so let's do an inversion of that. What do we have? We have exactly 2 at 98 as well. Here it is. We are specifying the zone, making it more tight. Okay, let's measure this leg. This leg says we have 1618 exactly at 98. 1618 here. Okay, let's measure this inversion as well. So we have 1414. It coincides with the previous movement. Okay, and let's measure this movement. What do we have? I suppose we have 127. Yes, it coincides with those, so we have lots of Fibonacci levels coinciding at that round number of 98. Okay, I will delete those lines because they are a bit away from that Fibonacci zone that we defined with those Fibonacci confluence. Okay, so now you can see how I created my potential zone where I will get involved. It was a bit large in the beginning, and then I found the confluence and the zone became very tight. What else I can do here on this chart? I can run my pattern search scripts in case we have some advanced pattern formations, butterflies, bats, gottlies, or ciphers. Let us see. And the first one, I will analyze the large swings. Lucky we have a butterfly pattern, 80 pips stop. Okay, and it terminates exactly at that Fibonacci confluence area. Okay, so this looks very appealing to me. We also have a gapping border. This looks appealing to me, so pay attention to this butterfly formation. If price goes a bit higher, touches this level of Fibonacci confluence, then will be a good opportunity to get involved into a short. Those who trade round numbers, they will get short. Those who trade Fibonacci extension and inversions, those traders will get short. Those who trade advanced pattern formation, they will be also involved. And those guys who trade support, resistance, or fractal systems, they will also get involved at that same level. So we can see some kind of reaction here. Let me measure one more thing. Maybe those who trade AB equals CD pattern will also get there. AB equals CD. Well, not exactly a bit higher, but that's enough. Somewhere here. If you place your stop loss here, yes, as the rules for butterfly advanced formation say, you will have this zone inside of your potential reversal area. If you enter at 98, 98 flat, 98 round number, so you have all that space to the upside and then to the downside until it gets your stop loss. So somewhere from here, in between that and this, you have a reversal area. If it reverses and goes to your target, then you are okay, or I am okay. So, and what else can we see here? Let me look at RSI formations. we have high and we have high. Okay, no divergence yet, no divergence, nothing, and no hidden divergence as well. Okay, I think we'll most likely be overbought at that area when price reaches this zone of confluence, because we are almost at that level. So I have gathered lots of evidence of this Fibonacci confluence to be a major level and to be a good point for a short opportunity. So let's see how it goes. Well, until then, good luck, good trading. Share this video on social media, give me your thumbs ups, follow me on TradingView and on Facebook, and also visit my website at www.pssoftware.ru. You'll find lots of information about psychology of trading. You will find lots of information about those advanced pattern formation ratios, and you will find my software there as well. So the information is absolutely free, and the software you can purchase it. Now that's it. See you later.